How can no one use your Cameo selfie and just you who can use your Cameo selfie on Snapchat, of course. Today, guys, I will teach you and show you how to do this. Just follow the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snap. Then when your Snap is opening as you see, you go here on your profile, then click and then go to settings here and click. Then you will go and look for cameos. As you see here, cameos, click. And then guys, go to who can use my cameo selfie. And you will change it to only me. Like this. And it's done, guys. So I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you next video.